Most people fill forms for a living, especially business owners, dropshippers, even people who kind of submit data like creating products, things like that. People are filling forms for a living. But now that AI exists, let's leverage that with this Chrome extension called Zipifil. What it does, it allows you to take messy data. By messy data, I mean data with labels and other information all around it. Puts the messy data in the trash and fills the form just by pasting the address and clicking the Zipifil button. Now watch it happen right now. There we go, it's completely filled the form. But that's not good enough for me, because today there's a version 2, which is even better. For version 2, you can click on the favorites icon and select the filler that works. In this specific case, this one worked perfectly. So let's save it as favorite. Secondly, there's another button here, Autofill on extension. When you click on that and click save, what it does, it takes the data that's on your clipboard. For example, if I highlight and copy this data and then I click this, it will automatically fill this form with the data, making it even quicker than before. So now whenever you have to fill a form, let me just demonstrate that right now. With data that you already have, you just highlight it and copy it, then go back to your page and click the Zipifil button, and it will automatically fill the form with that data, making it even quicker than before. Like other form fillers though, it also has an address book feature which allows you to put your home address or work address just to keep things organized, and it doesn't have to always be addresses. It could also be other information, like information that you need in order to fill forms regularly, whether it's IDs or numbers, whatever you need. All the information is privately stored on your own storage on your computer and is never sent to our servers, which keeps your data private. Also, there's a generate AI content over here. So for example, generate a funny address for this form, and then it can actually generate information. So if there's a form that you kind of need to fill and you don't know what you're going to fill for it, this can help you too. So as you can see, the first name Giggles McWiggleton. I know this is a funny example, but you can think about how you can use this. This could be used for populating product fields. Let's say you have a product that you need to, a product form that you need to fill, then this can fill it for you. Now remember, let me just click here just to show you that it works, and then we'll move on to the next example. There we go, it filled it perfectly with exactly what I asked for. Now let's move on to a bigger form. So here's a massive form, and you can expect some of these forms to come up in your future. When you click on Zipifil and simply paste all your information into this box and click Zipifil, what you're about to see is magic. It's going to fill the entire form in one click. Yes, you just saw that. That includes these kinds of drop downs and every other type of form. It can basically fill it for you. Now, this is more than amazing, and I'll show you why. Because over here in the favorite section, you can actually create a prompt for this specific page and create rules for specific pages. So let's say it's not functioning correctly in a specific page. You can actually modify it. Only please always leave the title field empty. Now this can be very helpful when you're filling a form and it's filling too many fields, like ones you don't want. Then when you click Zipifil, it fills the form without the title, meaning it gives you control of the specific form fields that you want filled and not filled just by typing a prompt, which is absolutely amazing. And this is only available in version 2. So click the Add to Chrome button in the description, and then you can add this to Chrome and start using it to make your form filling life easier. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.